Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. My name is Nick Santiago. Today is February 29th, 2016. Let's get started in the charts here. We're going to look at the S&P 500 E-mini futures. You're going to see that the futures are trading higher by about 2 points this morning. Futures were sharply lower overnight. You did have the Chinese market, Shanghai, trade down nearly 3% last night. So that did send the futures lower. But markets have recovered this morning as oil has moved into the positive side. Oil was weaker today, now trading up 42 cents, so that has helped the markets out. You also have Warren Buffett on Cnbc today, giving his usual speech every year about how he just will buy stocks endlessly. So again, markets moved up, and we are in positive territory, but only by about 2 points this morning. All right, let's take a look at some other stocks in the news. We have Valiant in the news, VRX. I forget exactly what was said here, but nonetheless, stock is under some pressure. Closed at $80.65. Now the stock is trading at $77 a share. It was trading down around 74. It has recovered a bit, but this is one we will keep on the radar today. So again, if you want to trade this and other equities, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. We've had a dynamite 2016 so far. Let's take a look at good old lumber liquidators. This stock is trading lower from Friday's close. Closed at $11.11 on Friday. It's now trading at $10.40 today. Be very, very careful with this name. It has been under pressure. We will look at it once the opening bell rings, and if we see some patterns here that we like, we could trade this either long or short at any point in time. So keep that on the radar. Next one on my radar here is going to be Broadsoft, and ticker symbol is BSFT. And what you'll see here is stock right now is trading decently higher. It's trading right now at $34.87. Closed at $31.47. So a good little pop there. Big resistance today is going to be around $35.60. If it could get through there, there could be a little bit more upside, but I happen to think it's already overbought. Be very, very careful with this one. A great level for a potential fade would be around 37.40. But remember, this is a stock that generally does not trade a million shares a day, so these equities can sometimes overshoot. But I do like the 37.40 area if we get it up there as a potential fade area. So keep that on the radar. Remember, it's a stock that doesn't trade a million shares a day. On a good day, trades around 400,000 or less. So just remember, those stocks can overshoot levels a little bit. They come with more risk. All right, let's take a look at good old Taser. TASR is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $19.80. So good little pop for Taser overall. Closed at $17.48. So this is a nice little move. I'm not sure exactly what we're going to do with this one just yet, but I will look at it once the opening bell rings. In my opinion, if it could get up to $22, it's probably a stone cold short, maybe a Pierce of $22. So again, we'll keep this one on the radar today. Good little uptick on Taser before the opening bell. Speaking of Warren Buffett, let's take a look at Berkshire B. We're going to look at the B shares here, and they're trading at $133 a share. Closed at $131.92. So no big uptick there in Berkshire stock right now. We're looking at the B shares, but nonetheless, it is a little bit higher by $1 or so. We're not going to make too much out of it. We'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at AMC. I did see some news on that one. Stock right now is trading at $23.30. Closed at $22.02. So again, nice little move there for AMC today. I'm not sure we're going to do a whole lot with that one right off the bat. It does look like there's pretty good resistance around $24. So keep that on the radar. I think they reported earnings, and that's the reason for the uptick in the stock. But it is a little bit overbought here on a daily chart, so I think a lot of the earnings might be already factored in, and traders should take note of that. Starbucks is in the news today. It looks like they are looking to expand into Italy. Again, it's not really causing much of an uptick. Stock closed at $58.34. It's trading at $58.44. We're not going to make too much out of that one. It looks like we have a few other names out here that are making some moves, but again, it's going to be a little bit of a quieter Monday, at least at the start, and we'll see how it plays out. Again, China fell last night, but nobody's really making a big deal out of it. It was down by nearly 3%. But again, the market doesn't seem to be bothered by any of the China news. Let's take a look at gold this morning. Gold is trading up $8.10. So you could take a look at the GLD here. That is trading at 117.41, closed at 117.11. So gold is higher before the opening bell. We have oil up 45 cents to $33.22 a barrel. So oil getting a bid, that is going to help the markets out, and that's probably the primary reason why the markets are positive, or the futures are positive, before the opening bell today. So we'll see how that plays out. And again, we should get more opportunities once the opening bell rings at 1 o'clock, at 9:30, and we'll see how this all plays out today. With that being said, everybody have a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.